Hi folks, this is Barbara D with Guaranty. I'm going to talk with you today about stock number 41019. It's our Catalina 243 RBS. It's a super nice trailer. We order it in the Legacy Edition, so you're looking at an enclosed underbellies, a power tongue jack, black tank flush, hot and cold outside shower, aluminum fender skirts, aluminum rims, friction hinge door, exterior TV, and all kinds of goodies, even set up for a backup camera. So, as you enter the unit, you're going to see that it has a really nice breakfast bar. And then off to your right, you've got the fireplace and a nice TV. A 39-inch flat screen TV, which is quite a bit. Swing arm with a bracket. It also has DVD, MP3, FM stereo, Bluetooth, and a USB charging port. So quite a bit of the things that we expect as standards these days. It has a great living feel in it. It's light colored. It's got a really super nice couch that folds out into a trifold bed. It's got a dedicated dinette, and it's got a good sized bathroom in the back. So the bathroom is got a lot of little extras here. It's it's an enclosed shower instead of a shower curtain. It's got a nice basin and some storage in there. And the kitchen's not bad either. It has a residential pull-down faucet. It's got the waterfall edge thermalite countertops. It's got a deep basin farm-style sink covers, reversible inserts, all kinds of goodies here. So what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to give me a call, and we'll talk it over and see what questions you have that I haven't answered already. Seeing is believing. This unit has been a favorite for many people because it really holds up. You can take it anywhere. My name is Barbara D. I'm at Guaranty. My telephone number is 541-521-4232. Please give me a buzz or send me a text. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much.